Behind the back dribble. Replace. Oh! From back to
Crossover move.
drives, lays, pocket for 2 again. Kasha. And number 7. Foul, pass the bucket. For Region 5.
Stop.
4-3. Bang! 3 ball! Idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Batang Pinoy Basketball League 2024 para sa laban ng Region 5 at Region 1. Jump ball, number 8 versus number 72. Ball possession, Region 5. And number 96 here is heading the play, Okray. Kasha, didiskarte dito. Sumigsag, umatake, nakalusot lays. Kinaliwa, Akasha. Number 5, umatake, inaatake si Kautok, lays up. Oh, no basket. And it's number 72. Pass to number 96. Okray. Natapikan, na-recover, spins. Kicks out, 4-3. Bang! Basket and 1. Looking for the receiver here. Bounce pass, number 29. And number 27 launches 3. Wala. Rebound, spins, pass off the window. Money for 2. Region 1 up by 5. Okray. Stop. Bounce pass. Number 7. Side step. Tuloy-tuloy off the window. No good. Kasha here. Crossover move. Drives, lays. Bucket for 2 again. Kasha. And number 25, tuloy-tuloy, pass corner, pass, bucket for 2. Westbrook nakagawan. And number 77, Bautista behind the back dribble. Pinasahan ang kalaban, pass break. All alone, Westbrook number 00. And a bucket, easy for 2. Kasha is slowly moving down. Kasha, umatake mula sa gitna. Basket and 1. And 16-6 score natin mga idol. And here's number 18. Tuloy-tuloy bumangga. Fades. Na good. Ang gandang pasa. Ang gandang finish. Basket and 1. And here's number 2. Crossover for Region 5. Stop. 4-3. Bang! 3 boy. And baseball pass. Nauna na. Binit-bit lays up. Easy bucket for 2. Bound pass to the middle. Here you go, Region 5. Number 2. Launches on 3. At nandito na ang Region 1. Number 12. Natapikan na agawan. Number 2. Corner sa fix. Stop. Face for 3. In and out. Behind the back dribble. Tag step plays. From back to back court. Number 9. Pass to number 2. Number 2 side step plays. So strong. Nakakuha ng Region 1. Number 5. Number 18. Side step plays. Tumambling. And corner pass. Fires for 3. Bang! 3 points. And down to 4 ang Kalamangan. Number 9. Agisada for 2. No good. Nakulangan doon. Natapikan. Number 2. Libre. Down to 2 ang Kalamangan. That's it. Number 27. Region 5. Hope natapikan. Naagawan. Kasha here. Naiwan ang bola. Dive for the ball. 11. Pass back Kasha. Number 24. Kasha. Didiskarte. Kasha sumisigsag. Pull up jumper free throw area. Bucket. And here you go. Region 5. And crosses the mid lane. Number 27. Dribbling the ball. Asking for the pick. Uses the pick. Drives. Lays. Not good. And here's Region 1. So make way. Pass on the inside. Create space, kicks out. Pass back, pull up jumper. No good, rebound. Oops. And a pass break here. Number 27, binitbit lays. Bakit? Easy to. Nakalusot. 1-on-2, tuloy-tuloy. Pass to the corner, number 13. Naagawan. Kasha, 1-on-1 with number 7. Binitbit, tumipad. And easy bucket. And here's team Region 1. Between the legs dribble. Pass to number 92. Pass back. Fake fire off the glass. Basket and 1. Inbound. Here you go. Region 5. And dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Number 27. And drives. Fires. Too strong. And a pass break here. Tatlo labon sa dalawa. Tuloy-tuloy lays up. Bucket for 2. And Okray, number 96. Pass on the inside. To number 72. Fires off the window. Manny. And it's number 11. Pass on the inside. Naagawan. Number 77. Okray, 77. Oh, so palpal. And yung number 24, Kasha, lays. Oh, lumipad na naman. Pasok kay Region 5, number 5 here. Behind the back rebound. Nakabanggaan, offensive foul. Kasha. Kasha sumisigsag. Kasha between the legs. Corner pass sa 3. Bang! Oh, supalpal. Matinding supalpal ang inabot. Here's Region 1, pass on the inside. Baseball pass. Eksakto yung pasa. Number 5 lumipad. Wala. And here's number 69. Side step plays. Op. Traveling. Corner pass. Number 29. Tuloy-tuloy. Minekos. Sopalpal. Number 77. Long pass here. 1-on-1. Please. Short. Follow up shot. And a basket. And here you go. Region 1. Nagkatapikan. Iniwan yung dalawa. Tatlo. Tuloy-tuloy. Pass on the inside. Nakakuha ni number 96. Zumigzag. Okray. Kicks out. Natapikan. 2-on-2. Spin. Slays. Yes, sir! Grabing speed. 28-47 score. Crossover. Number 2. Behind the back dribble. Fake checks. Oh, iniwan yung dalawa. Grabing lusot na lusot. And number 18. Naiwan ang bola. Long pass. Kinasa sa kalaban. 96. That's kicks out. Fix. Pass on the inside. Sakto yung pass. Sakto yung tira. Pasok yan. At nakagahon na naman. Sa gitna. Attacks. Binit-bit. Pasok yan. Corner, nakagaw na naman. For the inbound, sa gitna, kinaldagan, spins, kicks out, corner 3. Off target, rebound pa rin. Nakagaw. 4 seconds, corner. Sa 3. No good, put back. Oh, I don't know. At the buzzer. Oops. Nope. And it's number 2 for Region 5. Ginugulo ni number 11. Number 7 here. Kicks out. Naagawan. And pass break. There's easy bucket. And it's number 2. Number 96. Plays up. Nakatapalan. Pass break. Nauna na naman. There's easy bucket. Number 96. For Region 5. Stop launches at 3. No good. Rebound Kasha. Kasha tuloy-tuloy. Uminegos. Tag Jordan Lays. Number 25 to number 2. Number 2 holds the ball. Di diskarte. Umatake. Spin move. Floater off the glass. Bucket is good. Corner pass. Cross pass. Number 69 lays, bucket for 2. Long pass, eksakto yung pasa. All alone, linaliwa. Bucket is good. Kasha. Di diskarte. Atake. Tuloy-tuloy. Binabitin. Rebound, putback, foul, basket and one. English Region 5, number 77. Number 9. Number 8, number 25. Ball movement here. Pull up jumper. Pasok yan. 65-40 ang score mga idol. 25 lead. Picks, clutch. Natapikan. Corner. Pull up J. Bucket. The net. 6 natapikan. Na-recover. Tuloy-tuloy pass on the inside. Floater shot. Tip in. And a bucket for 2. And number 25 natapikan na naman. And here you go. 2 pass. Pinabitin pa. Yes. There's number 25. Dumire-diretso. Par. Oops. And here's Kasha. Kasha. Lazy na usaw. And number 27 here. Tuloy-tuloy. Lays up. Bucket for 2. Easy 2. Number 18. Sumalita diretso. Lays. Bucket for 2. Yes. And number 27, foul, basta bucket. And 1. Number 17, Kabalba. Number 18, attacks. Binating lays, bucket for 2. That's the end. Here's number 12 for team Region 1. Kasha natapikan. Number 15, tuloy-tuloy lays, kinaliwa pa, bucket for 2. Fourth quarter action here, long pass, ang gandang play, ang gandang pass, finish for the backdoor inbound here, bounce pass, extra rise, fires off the glass, the big man. And here's number 9. Malagi versus Malagi, bounce pass inside, reverse layup, the connection, good for 2. Number 11, cross pass, between the legs, number 5, number 11. Sa 6, hinatid, floater shot of the glass. That's the big man. And Kasha here, ginugulo ni number 15. Kasha umatake, side step, fires. Kasha on the move. Number 5, crossover. Iniwan, stop, pick for 3. Back of the glass. Rebound number 27, long pass, and lays easy bucket. Here's number 27 for Region 5. Number 96, drives, side step, nakuha ng Region 1. And here you go again, Kasha, drives, tuloy-tuloy, oop, no good. And rebound na agaw ngayon ni Kasha, pinabitin lays, Kasha for 2. Number 2, side step, reverse layup, no good. Number 96, open for 3, launch, bang, nating bat net. Number 5, spins, drives, lays, bucket for 2. Number 96 to number 5. Number 96, falls at 3, bang, the nets. Number 92, natapikan na agawan. And easy bucket. Dela. Number 18, nakalikot. Agawan, for the inbound. Number 5, big, Nagkamadali pababa, number 8. Pass on the inside, please. Oh, takto yung timing. Number 2. Matras. Number 6. 96. Kansas all-star, Mahito. rin. Bang! Five of the Oakland. Congratulations! Region 1.